Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Thank you for choosing our video to solve your problem. So let's figure out this. So what you have to do, just open your settings of your phone. Click right now at apps option and search for Gmail. Click on it like this. When you see it, you will find many options. Click on permission and give access to all of these options here. So back, go to battery, make it on optimizing mode. Back then, click storage, click clear cache only, don't click clear data, and back, click force stop, click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update right now your Gmail, and right now turn on your airplane mode and turn off it like this. Restart your phone then, and that's it. Hopefully guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.